Mercy will not tell you, makasasala kay ka, grabe na kay kagibuhat sa kuha, baga kay kagnaong. Mercy doesn't do that. When people would tell you in your face nga you're unworthy or baga kay kagnaong, the Lord is not like that. The Lord will not tell you, grabe kay kagibuhat, and iya kang i-condemn ba sa imong gibuhat. That's not the character of God. God, His character, will not question you how far have you gone. But God would always tell you, come home. Come home, come home. My arms are still open. That's the mercy of God. You know, when you felt like there's no way out sa situation that you are in right now, kanang you're still like thinking na, I am just living each day, pero inside you're really dying, you're really miserable. Like the elder son, kabalo ka naa ka sa balay sa imong papa, kabalo ka anak ka, pero wa ka nag-act nga anak, igsuon, it's time to repent. Ing na imong tapad, anak kag Dios. And you know, this truth would always remind us that kung Ginoo ang imong papa, you can just ask. Ask, seek, and knock. And that's the principle. You boldly ask the Lord. You seek, you knock, because you're a child of God. And the mercies of God are new every morning. There is no sin nga kaya nimo buhaton na dili kaya i-forgive sa Ginoo. Yes, naanay consequences tanan. Pero kaya kanya i-forgive, kaya kanya i-restore back. That's the mercy of God. Dili niya kwintahon unsay atong nabuhat. No. Tawor gyud ang mangwinta igsoon. But God will never do that.